All right, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine Marie. If you guys are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back, boo. So today I am actually filming a different type of video. I have not filmed this type of video in a while, but a lot of you guys have asked. So today, clearly it's daytime. Today I am filming my teeth update. So if you guys aren't familiar, I do have a whole series of when I was wearing my braces. I did vlog, all of that stuff. So yeah, it's been about a year, I think, since I've had my braces taken off. And a lot of you guys have asked me to update you guys on my teeth. And honestly, there was just nothing to update you on. But if you guys watched my last braces update, which I will link the card here, then you guys know how I mentioned that my teeth were looking a little bit yellow. And I think somebody pointed it out, may have pointed it out too. So I have been wanting a whitening for a while, and I talked to my dentist about it, my family dentist, but they told me it was gonna be around $500 to do the whitening trace at home or in the office, I believe. And I was just like, girl, no. So I've been using the Colgate Optic White toothpaste and white mouth. I can't talk today. Shut the video down. Shut the damn video down. The Colgate toothpaste, the Optic White, and the mouthwash, and that was working. But then I was super blessed to get contacted by this dental office. Sorry you guys, I talk with my hands. Sorry, I can't help it. I was contacted by this dental office in the DFW area to come in and get a whitening, and I was like, yes, like of course I would love to, because why not? Like, I want a whitening, they're gonna do my whitening. So that's what I did, and that's what I'm gonna be telling you guys about. So the office that I went to is called Honey Dental. It is in the DFW area, which is like Dallas and surrounding areas. There's 2 locations. Immediately when I got there, the staff was super friendly. The receptionist was really, really nice. And I just felt welcomed. He said when I walked in, it's funny because if you follow me on Instagram at It's Jazz Marie, you should be if you're not. When I walked in, he said, "Are you Marie?" And I was like, "No, I'm Jasmine." He was like, "Are you the influencer for today?" And I was just like, me? Like me? So I was like, oh yeah. And then it occurred to me that, okay, she saved my name under Marie, you know, It's Jazz Marie. So yeah, so that was nice, you know, the greeting and everything. So then I went back, they called me back. I didn't have to wait that long. And yeah, let's get into how the actual treatment went. So I'll include like a picture of me, and I'll probably include like as I was on my way to the office, and so you guys can see my teeth before. My teeth weren't super bad. I'm not gonna say that they were super yellow. I do drink coffee though, so they were stained, like for sure. But you can definitely tell the difference when I insert, and now I'm sure, the clip when I got in the car directly after the whitening. All right, you guys, so we finally made it over here to the dentist office. So today I'm getting a whitening, and yeah, I've been needing a whitening for a while now, but I'm finally getting it done. The kids are I think they're about to go get something to eat while I'm in here, and then I'll just grab something later. All right, you guys, I'm out of the dentist office. So I wanted to show you guys what my teeth look like. This is what my teeth look like. They look really good. What I'm gonna do is when I get home, I'm gonna sit down and tell you guys like the entire process, so stay tuned. Okay, so when I got back there, they took my x-rays. The lady was so sweet. I don't even remember her name. I don't even know if I asked her her name, but she was super sweet. One of the nurses, I guess, or the dental assistants, one of them. She was so sweet. I really liked her. She was just talking to me and all that stuff. She was the one that actually prepped my teeth and got me situated. It was funny because she was like asking me like, what do you do? And she was like, I'm pretty boring. And I'm like, girl, Instagram is like the best marketing. I was like, you need to get on Instagram. But she was like, I'm boring. But anyway, she was super cool. So basically when you get back there, I'll show you a picture. They put a tint in your mouth, and that is just to keep your mouth open and your lips and everything separated, so you're not like having to hold your mouth open. That part wasn't bad. That was probably the most uncomfortable part of the entire process. And so once I did that, they actually put a, what do they call it? I guess like a guard between your gums here, to make sure that the whitening bleach does not get on your gums and stuff, because you don't want to bleach your gums. So that took about 10 minutes, I think. And then, so I was sitting there with my mouth open, which you guys will see, and I had the blue stuff to do that. And then after that, they put like gauze in my mouth and on my tongue, just to make sure I'm not like, not unknowingly like licking the teeth on accident. Because you know how like when you have your mouth open at the dentist and you don't really know, and your tongue just like goes everywhere. So they made sure that didn't happen. And then they go ahead and they'll put the whitening on, and it's just like a gel basically. And you have to sit with the gel for about 20 minutes. So you're just sitting there. Luckily they have TVs above you, so you can just lay there and watch TV. I was kind of on the phone watching whatever they had on, and I sat there for 20 minutes, and voila, like that's it, you guys. It was really quick. It was not painful. Now, I did let her know I had sensitivity on my teeth, especially like mainly when I just drink cold things or like rinse with cold water. Other than that, I had a great visit. Nothing's going on with my mouth that's detrimental. You guys know my teeth journey. If you guys aren't familiar, I need to make a playlist. You guys can go back and watch. I do talk about like the things that I have had worked on in my mouth. I'm not going to mention it in this video because I just strictly wanted to tell you guys about the whitening experience. Oh, and back to what I was saying about the sensitivity. The whitening gel can make your teeth, like the longer it sits on your teeth, the better. But she also mentioned that it could like start not hurting, but you know, if you have sensitive teeth. But I didn't have any pain while while it sat on my teeth for those 20 minutes. It could be different for some people, but I did notice after I left, these two teeth hurt here. And then like, I would just feel like a sharp pain, like a shooting pain, kind of like when you drink something through a straw, if that makes any sense. It was one day, maybe 2 days that I noticed my teeth were kind of like just sore, but not sore. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just kind of felt like they were just a little bit more sensitive. So I was using sensitive Colgate toothpaste, but now I'm back using my regular toothpaste. Yeah, okay, so now let's move on to what you cannot do when you get a whitening. It did not even click in my head. So after I got my whitening, I waited to eat for about 3 hours. And this is the part that you're gonna be like, girl. Because when I got in the car, at first when I got up and I was like, oh, okay, like I love them. I couldn't tell a huge difference. But then when I got in the car, and like I posted a picture, my teeth looked super white. But then I waited 3 hours to eat, you guys, and I got an orange soda, okay? And obviously I had a straw and I was sipping it very slowly, and I would just like sip and swallow, you know, I wasn't letting it sit in my mouth. I had a little bit of orange soda. Then I was like, I couldn't really tell anymore. But I think it's all a mind thing, because obviously I can, looking at myself right now, I can clearly see that my teeth look good. So you want to be careful what you eat, because basically if you have a white t-shirt that is white and you eat or drink something that can stain your white t-shirt, it can stain your teeth. It's the same exact thing. And I think like the first 48 hours or the first week, your teeth are very like porous, they're open, so they can stain easily. So I didn't get to eat like pizza, anything with red sauce, anything that could potentially stain my teeth, I steered away from. I didn't have coffee for like 2 days. Now I drink coffee through a straw, which is what I probably should have done anyway. I'm just more careful. I brush my teeth after every meal now while I'm home. It's gonna be kind of hard when I go back to work. But yeah, I brush my teeth after every meal. I finally had red sauce this weekend, and they still look, you know, they still look good. So yeah, just be careful what you eat, drink through a straw, and just keep using your toothpaste. I still use my Colgate whitening toothpaste to just keep them up. So as I was saying earlier, I do have a dentist appointment tomorrow with my family dentist again. I went in for a cleaning before I went and got my whitening, because I wanted to make sure my teeth were nice and good, not just whitening over unclean teeth. And I need a filling. So also in that last update video, I told you guys about the tooth that needed to have a filling. So this tooth here, see that little dot? All right, see ya? That is a cavity. And I've had that on there for a year because it was there when I got my braces taken off, and I kept having to push my dentist cleaning appointment back, and they're always booked, blah, blah, blah. I finally went in the other day and he said, go get your whitening, and then when you come back, we're going to fill this cavity right there to match the color of your teeth, so that obviously they're not going to put a silver filling right there, like that'd be dumb. So I know I look different and I look crazy, but I wanted to really quick jump on here and film this part of the video simply because I went and got my filling today on my tooth, and I wanted to show you guys. So the lighting isn't the best in this area of my living room. Remember when I was telling you guys the other day that I needed to get my tooth filled in the front? There was like a black hole right here, which was a cavity. So I went today and I got it filled, and now my teeth, my smile looks so freaking good. Like, I'm super happy. It looks like I got a whole set of new teeth in my mouth, and I'm super happy with them. So this tooth, you can't even tell that I needed any work done. So now my teeth look bomb AF. I'm super happy. I probably won't do another teeth update, you guys, simply because it's nothing really to update you guys on. Now, if I do go in and have some more work done or like change out my fillings, of course I will probably film it. But other than that, there's really nothing to update you on. I don't have to do a retainer update. The retainer's good. I don't wear it every night anymore. Like I probably go 1 to 2 nights a week without wearing it, and I'm just like, girl, you'll be okay. Like sometimes I just ain't got time. But I do get nervous, like, oh my God, my teeth are going to move back. But no, they're good. This is what they look like. This is my smile. I absolutely love my smile now, you guys. And I get so many compliments, and I'm like, girl, I had to pay for it, but you know, it's all good. It's my smile. So thank you guys for watching. That is basically it. I will have the dental office linked in the description box. Also, I wanted to mention right now, I wanted to mention that Honey Dental, the office that I went to in the DFW area, they are offering a teeth cleaning at no cost to first responders while dealing with COVID and putting themselves out there on the front line for their community. Honey Dental wants to say thank you to them, and by offering them a cleaning at no cost to them. So first responders, nurses, police officers, firemen, things like that, check them out if you're in the area, and I will have it in the description box on Instagram so you guys can go over there and check them out. But yeah, other than that, I wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and comment down below if you guys have any questions pertaining to the mouth of mine. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.